Hi, this is Nia Ray, and this is my plant channel. I just got a box from Hirt's Gardens. I did a little begonia plant shopping because I just got some red grow lights. If you can see behind me, they look pretty cool. It's almost like I'm in some sort of cyberpunk future. I wanted them to be in a central location that when people walk in, they're like, oh, cool, what is that in there? And I'm like, yeah, you know, it's my little like red light greenhouse. Let's get started with this box. So this guy, this is my Sinbad. Cool. So the photos of this guy, this is the Sinbad. I believe it's a pink cane-like begonia. He's not quite there yet. He's very green still, but there is a little flower on there. Can you see that? Like a little pink. Let's see if I can get it to focus on there. Little pink flower. It's super cool. There are little white spots all over the leaves. It's very textured. It's really cute. Next we have, let's see. Oh, how beautiful. So this is a Miss Mummy. I don't know if you can see that, but she is gorgeous. She's got pink dotted leaves. She has some autumn foliage. How would I describe that? She's got pink dotted leaves, some tan undersides. She looks like a strawberry caramel dream, maybe is what I'm gonna call her. I wish I could show people in person what these look like because they're absolutely gorgeous. Great. All right, let's see what the next plant looks like. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is a classic angel wing begonia. I think it didn't really have a specific name when I bought it. It just says angel wing cane. So if you want to see what I mean by the cane, if you're not familiar with begonias, they look like this, which means it's sort of like bamboo, basically. And they are very dryness tolerant in terms of the ambient room around them. They don't need as much humidity as rhizome begonias need, like begonia rexes. These guys, I don't believe are canes, but I'm looking at their stalks just to see if they can be outside. Oh, like this guy. Oh, how beautiful. So this is the next begonia. She is gorgeous. Look at her. Begonia Maurice, I guess is the proper name. I love those leaf curls. Look how stunning that is. It's almost like a Fibonacci sequence on the top, right? It's like a snail shell. Awesome. Cool. So that leaves our last one, which I think I know exactly who this is. This is my last begonia from Hirt's Gardens this online shopping trip. It is another eyelash begonia. It is a begonia Dr. Block. Eyelash begonia is basically the same thing as a rhizomatous begonia. This guy will also definitely be going into the grow chamber. Look at how cool those leaves are though. Just little green specks. Sorry, little pink specks. And lots of little baby shoots, if you can see back here, which is perfect because I want to see how well they grow. If you enjoyed watching this, please hit that like and subscribe button because it totally helps me out and I can keep making these cute grow videos.